Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about delay or schedule the delivery Outlook email message. First, we need to open Outlook and compose a message. From the menu, go to Options and you'll see Delay Delivery. The delivery options are down here, and make sure that it has a check mark that says do not deliver before. And you have an options to choose a date and a time when you like the message to be sent. Click close. Write your email message. And oh, don't forget the subject. Perfect. And yes, the recipient. And now hit that send button. Good job! The message is temporarily on hold in the outbox, waiting for its scheduled email delivery. Should you decide to cancel or change the schedule, go ahead and open the message. Go to Options and click Delay Delivery, and then change the delivery options according to your preference. Going back to our scheduled email, let me fast forward a time. The message has successfully been sent. Check it out in the sent items. Perfect! So now, you're ready to use the delayed delivery of an Outlook message when needed. So that's all for today. Watch out for another episode of Tips and Tricks next week.